What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, programmers of all ages? Welcome back to this week's HaxeFlixel game programming tutorial. Although it's not going to be as much programming and it's going to be a lot shorter. Also, forgive me, it's like 7 a.m. and the dogs are outside, so they are a bit excitable. So you will hear dogs in the background. There's unfortunately not much I can do about that. I really do apologize. So now, what we're going to do this week is we're going to fix the mistakes of younger me, which I apologize for. Younger me was a dumbass. There isn't much we can do about it. In any case, what we're going to do is set up Ogmo Editor to be set up properly with entities, the correct entity names and everything. So what you want to do is go into edit project, into layers. Instead of having a player layer and a melee monster layer, what you want to do is just go and delete layer. Yeah, I don't care about that layer. Delete that layer. I don't care about that layer either. The new layer is going to be an entity layer, and we can just call it entities. Now it's a grid width of 16 and 16. You can say add required tags so that it automatically adds things to the layer. Like say if you add a monster, you just say it's an entity and it will automatically add it to the entity tags. Okay, so with the entity layer set up, we can go into entities. So we have a player entity, or we have a melee entity. Let's create a new one called ranged monster. We can use a new color. Let's go with something blue. And then we also need the boss monster, which we can maybe color green. And you just want to say save and update. This will update all your projects, but you'll notice if we go into boss map JSON, it took away our player character, it took away our boss character, so we will end up having to go back and redo each and every one of those. But now as you'll see, we have player, melee monster, range monster, and boss monster all in the same entities layer, so that when we load them, we can just have one function that loops all over all the entities on our screen and places them for us. Now, you don't have to go through and add them all for yourself. You can go on to, if we just check the browser, if you go over into Hax tutorial tree tutorial 30, they should all be there for you, already done under the assets. Like I said, I did spend some time to redo this, so you don't have to do it yourself. You can just go download the folder and set it up. In any case, that is it for this week's tutorial. Sorry if it's a bit shorter than usual, but the last two videos were like 25 plus minutes long, which should make up for it, and it was like 40 minutes of recording time. In any case, I hope you enjoy your week. Until next week, see ya and goodbye.